Welcome everyone to the home of Next GA Aircraft here at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm May K. Bueller, a longtime flight instructor and aviation enthusiast with an incredible airplane to tell you about. It's a 2013 Cessna TTX, fully loaded, in pristine condition, low time, absolutely gorgeous, still under factory warranty from Cessna and Continental. Let's take a look. November 101 Fox Romeo is an exceptional aircraft. Now, even though the TTX is fixed gear, it's one of the fastest single-engine pistons in the world. Now, folks, you can fly up to flight levels 250 at speeds of about 235 knots. Down lower, you can cruise comfortably in the 200s, all while burning only about 16 to 17 gallons per hour. November 101 Fox Romeo is equipped with a Hartzell 3-blade new generation Scimitar hot prop. November 101 Fox Romeo is equipped with a Continental TSIO 550C, twin turbocharged, 310 horsepower rated at 2,000 hour TVO. Now this engine is still under factory warranty by Continental through 2018. This airplane has a tuned induction and exhaust system from the factory, and the engine has only 325 hours total time since new. November 101 Fox Romeo is equipped with a TKS ice protection system. Now, in addition to the hot prop, this system is going to prevent icing from forming on critical surfaces like the wing and the prop should you get into inadvertent icing conditions. November 101 Fox Romeo features the high altitude package. That includes 4-place built-in oxygen and speed brakes. Now, the speed brakes, they're an excellent resource for a pilot to have because they are extremely effective at high air speeds, but so effective at low air speeds that they are proved to be used in all phases of flight, including takeoff. Now, of course, the speed brakes are great for getting you down fast, without having to chop the power and shock cooling the engine, and of course for slowing the airplane for approach. This TTX was produced in December of 2013, and it looks like it just rolled out of the factory today. The paint, well, it's pristine. Beautiful white and green apple, phantom pearl, and starlight silver. The TTX is an all-composite aircraft, and Cessna uses more carbon fiber in its design than most comparable aircraft. The cowling is carbon fiber. All the control surfaces are carbon fiber, and the dual fully redundant wingtip to wingtip one-piece spars are also carbon fiber. Now, carbon fiber is about 5 times stronger than comparable steel. Each one of the carbon fiber spars alone can withstand the utility category loads of this aircraft, and there are 2 of them. This extra strength and redundancy is part of what puts this aircraft in the utility category. The TTX has a very spacious baggage compartment. Come here. You can put up to 120 pounds back here. And look, if you need to carry something big, you can use this like an SUV because this bar comes out and you can lay the seats down. The interior of November 101 Fox Romeo is in perfect, like-new condition. Well, take a look at the citation-grade leather seats, the sidewalls, the headliner, and the carpet. Now, I'll tell you what, the seats back here are very roomy and comfortable. I'm about 5 feet 9 inches tall. Look at all the headroom I have. Lots of leg room. It is fabulous.
Hi, I'm William Bird with Next GA Aircraft, and I'm here to show you this outstanding panel on 101 Foxtrot Romeo featuring the Garmin G2000 intrinsic avionics system. Let's take a look. Starting on the pilot side, we have our all-electric L3 Trilogy backup airspeed altimeter and altitude indicator. Below we have our built-in pulse oximeter, which shows your heart rate and blood oxygen level in flight displayed on your Garmin G2000 system. Check out this WAS synthetic vision equipped Garmin G2000 intrinsic cockpit. Take a look at the primary flight display. You can see we have synthetic vision equipped. Here we have our airspeed tape with V-speeds shown. In the center is our attitude indicator. Top here we have our inclinometer and our turn and bank indicator. Here's our altitude tape. We also have altitude and vertical speed pre-select. In the center we have our slaved HSI system. You can see we have an inset set to traffic. You can also program this for TAWs and other features as well. This also calculates your true airspeed and shows wind vectors. Take a look at the multi-function display on this Garmin intrinsic G2000 system. Now these are 14-inch screens, so you can put a lot of information here in flight you can see that we always have some basic engine instrumentation displayed here on the left, including our manifold pressure RPMs, our turbine inlet temperatures for both turbos, fuel flow, cylinder head temperature, oil pressure and temperature, electrical information, fuel information, and trim information, as well as our flaps. Here in the bottom left is where we'll see our pulse oximeter information. And you can see to the left, we can also pull up more engine instrumentation, including all our EGTs and CHTs, oxygen information, and a fuel calculator. Now here on the multifunction display, we have it in a split screen view right now. We can easily switch over to a full screen view. A lot of great information can be displayed on here. This does include Garmin 12 nautical mile active traffic. We have XM weather that we can pull up here. We also have TAWS B information displayed here on our multifunction display, as well as trip information here at the top. A lot of great information packed into this very powerful Garmin G2000 system. 101 Foxtrot Romeo is equipped with the Garmin GFC 700 digital autopilot. You can see here at the top is our autopilot control panel. We have our heading bug, our course selector, nav mode, flight director is displayed right here. We also have flight level change mode, which allows you to climb at indicated airspeeds, vertical speed mode. We also have a VNAV mode included in this airplane, and of course altitude pre-select. One unique feature about the Garmin G2000 intrinsic system in the Cessna TTX is this Garmin GTC 570 touchscreen controller. Now this controller controls everything in this airplane, including the avionics, the air conditioning system, the built-in oxygen system, as well as your comms. You can see here in the top left we have our COM 1 and COM 2 frequencies that we enter right here by clicking. We switch and we can enter frequencies in very easily here, transfer them. We also can enter nav frequencies in here. We have our transponder that we plug in right from here, and you can see we control everything from our XM weather, our TAWS B. We can pull up charts, load a flight plan, procedures. Here we have our aircraft systems where we control our digital climate control, as well as a fuel calculator, oxygen, and a lot of other great information. There's waypoint information in here where we can pull up everything we need to know about an airport, including frequencies and weather in flight. And there's a lot of powerful tools and information included in this touchscreen controller that pretty much controls the entire aircraft. It's a very powerful system. One feature of the Cessna TTX that owners really love is the dual side stick controls. Now you're directly linked to your control surfaces with lifetime push rod controls. You can see that we have 4-place trim here for pilot and co-pilot. We also have autopilot disconnect and dual push to talks, and control wheel steering here for the pilot. Now the TTX is also equipped with a feature called rudder hold, which allows you to set your rudder pressure in a climb so you don't have to actually sit there and hold that rudder pressure. It's also equipped with ESP, which is electronic stability protection, which automatically kicks in the autopilot if you get yourself into a dangerous flight conditions or become incapacitated. The autopilot will automatically kick on and level off, keeping you safe.
If you are looking for an exceptional Cessna TTX, load time fully loaded in pristine, like new condition, 101 Fox Romeo is your girl. You will not be disappointed. She is beautiful and exceptional. Load time still under factory warranty from Cessna and Continental. You need to come see us though here at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina, or give us a call at 336-665-0300. Check out our website. This girl is waiting for you. 101 Fox Romeo. For Next GA Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks for watching. Blue skies.